Hi my beauties, this is Uma. You are watching Beauty Tips with Uma. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Thursday I am going to upload a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram Beauty Nature 2026. For today's video I am going to share two types of body scrubbing packs that gonna makes your skin so glowy and soft after going to have your shower. So let's get into the video. Now the first pack is a creamy textured pack. For that you need a coffee powder. Coffee may help reduce the appearance of cellulite on the skin. Applying coffee directly to your skin may help decreasing the appearance of sunspots, redness and fine lines. Honey can make your skin so soft and glowy. So now start the process of doing the method of this pack. Here I am adding half a tablespoon of coffee powder and the rest of the thing is honey. I am going to mix coffee powder with the honey. For the creamy texture, I am going to add a raw milk. A milk can make your skin so white and without having any tan on your skin. So mixing this coffee powder with entire milk like a cream texture, it should be. And here is the pack ready. Why can't I try on my hands and show you a demo how it works? So here I am going to try on my hands. I am going to scrub this beautiful pack on my hands for 2 minutes. You should not scrub entire 5 minutes. That's gonna make your skin so irritate. So please make sure 2 minutes is the good thing to scrub your skin and exfoliate. After the wash of my hands, here is the result. So whitened and soft skin. Here I am going to share the second pack which is going to be amazing and a easy method. So here I am adding half tablespoon of coffee powder and sugar. Sugar can exfoliate your skin and removes all the dead skin. Here I am having half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice can get rid of all the dirt from the skin and it is a antibiotics. So I'm going to scrub all these ingredients well. Now the pack is ready. Again I am going to demonstrate to the other hand of my skin. So this should be like a somewhat kind of sticky, but that's okay. Just scrub it thoroughly for 2 minutes, which I already said to you. Do not make sure to be it is like 5 minutes scrubbing. Your skin gonna be irritated. 2 minutes it's a good enough quantity for scrubbing. After my hand wash, this is the result. A soft, glowy, smooth skin without having any dead skin. I hope you like this pack. You can use this pack for your body or for your face. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share comments below. That really means a lot to me. We'll be back soon with a brand new video every Thursday. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Be safe and be healthy.